Thank you for joining me today for our eToro portfolio performance report for the past week, January 5th to the 10th, 2026. My name's Nate, and today we're going to go over what's happened in the past week, the first full week in our portfolio on eToro. And thank you again for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to do that. If you like the video, be really appreciative, and really helps to do that. So we're in eToro, and let's take a look at how we've done over the past week with our investments. So over the week we have had a return of 2.85%. First full week for January 2026, and a good return that first full week, especially after a rough start to the year on that one single day where we did see a dip. Things have recovered and bounced back a little bit. Let's jump into our portfolio, and our winning position. Our winning investment is Zeta Global. They're a data and marketing company. And Zeta Global this week saw a return of 21.76%. A lot of that is due to a collaboration announcement made with OpenAI at the beginning of the week, and so we saw some great returns this week from Zeta Global, and we'll continue to hold our positions in this. We have 3 positions with an average return of 25.45%, the highest being 35+ percent return out of our 3 positions in Zeta Global. Let's jump into my profile now, and we currently have a risk score of 4. I don't mind anywhere between a 3 and a 5. I find if you're below 3 at 2, your returns aren't going to be what they really could or should be. Your risk will be significantly lower, but your returns will usually be significantly lower as well. So anywhere between a 3 and 5. Up above 5, the risk and the volatility I find is too high. I do want to take a moment and thank the 2,500 followers and our 12 copiers. To be a copier on eToro means you are copying what somebody's investments and strategies are. And so thank you to everyone who invests with me on eToro. Let's jump into our statistics. And month to date, you can see that we have a return of 2.34%. Very happy with that return so far for the year, for the month, and also for the year to date. We are sitting at 2.34. Obviously, that will change as we go from into February. The month to date and the year to date will change, but for the month of January, the month to date and the year to date should remain exactly the same. We had some adjustments in our portfolio, so let's jump across here. You may notice if you follow our reports and if you follow me on eToro, you'll notice that UPS is no longer part of our portfolio, and so we closed our positions, took profits at 17% or just shy of 17% from UPS, postal service company. Happy with the returns there. And we also closed one position in one of our positions in Disney. We kept one position open, but we closed one position, and we bought a position in Insight Enterprise. I did a post on eToro about this company and why we're buying into it, so you can read that post, or if you're not on eToro and you're interested, pop in the comments below and I can share why we bought this company. But this is just a report of our portfolio for the past week, and not in-depth look into individual stocks and that kind of thing. So, but we are excited about where this enterprise is heading, Insight Enterprise, and everything there. But the one main reason we bought it, just so you know, is the potential upside is like 39-40%. It has been most likely unjustly hit for the past year, and we did quite a bit of research on investing.com before buying into this company, and so keep an eye out. We'll see how things go. I'm fairly positive on this, on our position in Insight. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed. Thank you to everyone who watches these videos and likes and supports the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to. We'll see you in another video, whether it's a stock report or looking at a stock on investing.com, or a financial coaching video, or another weekly report on eToro. But I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great upcoming week, and we'll see you in the next video.